What's up, everyone? HOBBYBOX here. Stany and Scratchman are going at it again. This time they are going draft style for a box of Volt. Let's see what our box gets. Okay, first is the mask card. Gold version. Nicholas Backstrom. Next up, very nice patch. 3-color, 4-color almost with a little one under there. Brendan Witt. Almost the 4th color there. Brandon Witt. Next up is Quebec Nordiques. Peter Stany. First autograph is Adam Cochrane. Goalie graphs. Next up is Jamie Storr autograph. Nice Mark Scheifele autograph. Mark Scheifele. Big shit. Next one is a good one for sure. Rest in peace, Bob Probert. 1/1, 2-color. Not bad at all, guys. Gold version. Bob Probert. Rest in peace. Next up, very nice patch. Jake Allen, St. Louis goalie. 2-color. Silver version.
This young man is big, he's strong, he's
next up is Ron Francis autograph. Not bad at all. And last but not least, oh, a true 1/1. Very nice. Darnell Nurse. This is an actual 1/1 complete jersey. Very nice. So there's the emblem, a number, jersey, and the prime. Gold version 1/1. So this is a true 1/1, guys. There goes your first pick, I think. There you go. Thank you, guys. Good box. Very good box. Thanks for joining and your purchase.